Hey guys, it's the Nitch Dominator here, and I'm going to try and make this as easy as pumpkin pie for you. So let's just go here. I've mentioned in another video how you can dominate your niche and also how you can start generating income this week. It could be $5,000, $10,000, whatever your heart's desire. Just don't make it $100 because that's not going to work for you. It's not sustainable. If you don't know what the price you offer, then that's why you need to book a strategy session with me. But in this video, I just want to share with you one technique that I use, and I'll explain how it works in this video. And you can copy this, you can model this. So I'm the Nitch Dominator. First thing you need to do is you need to create a YouTube channel. It's free. Second thing you need to do is you need to set up a calendar link. I use Calendly. Third thing you need to do is you need to connect it with a Zoom account. This is also free. Step 4, create a 30 to 45 minute presentation, strategy session. Step 5, make them an offer that they can't refuse, kind of like The Godfather. And then create a YouTube video with all your links, your calendar link, which you connected to your Zoom link. Wash, rinse, repeat, tweak your videos, make them better each week, tweak your offer, make your offer better each week. And how many videos do you think you can make with YouTube? It is endless. How many appointments can you book in a week? It's endless. It's whatever you want. You can book 7 days a week if you wanted to. I book 3 days a week, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. That's it. The rest of the time I piss off and do whatever else. You can take 1 call, 2 calls, 3 calls. I book myself from 1 to 5 o'clock, Tuesday to Thursday. I'm doing this very same thing. I'm doing a 30 to 45 minute presentation, a little bit of Q&A, answer any questions. I make them an offer. If they want to join me, that's fine. If they don't, that's fine as well, because they'll have enough information to go do it themselves. If they struggle in some way, they can always come back to me. I'm around. All they have to do is just go to YouTube, go into the description of any of my videos, click on the calendar link, book another session with me. Why do I do this? Because that's how you get better. You make more offers. You need people to say yes or no every single day. If you're not doing that, you're leaving a lot of money on the table. So this is all free. If you have an offer, if you're a coach, consultant, therapist, whatever, you can literally do this tonight. You can start this and create this link. This took me about a half an hour to set this all up. And as your channel grows, as more people subscribe to your channel, because there's no limit to how many people can subscribe, there's no limit to how many people can actually see your video. There's no limit to how many Zoom calls you can make, especially for free. If you want to have longer than 30 minutes, then you can pay something for Zoom. I forget how much it is, but just do a 30-minute. Make it simple, make it easy. You can create a free calendar link. It's easy. And then you just make an offer. You work on your offer. If you don't know how to sell over Zoom or over a phone call, that's why you need to book a strategy session with me, because I'm sharing with you this exact model. There's no hype, there's no flash, there's no fancy slides. This is it. Follow this. Create a YouTube channel, set up your calendar link, connect it with Zoom, create a presentation, 30 minutes, make them an offer, get them to say yes or no. create a YouTube video with your calendar links in it and do that. If you wanted to make a new video, you can do that every day. You can talk about different strategies. If you're in the real estate niche, you can talk about how to wholesale, how to flip homes, whatever it is, put in your link. If you want a strategy session on how to do this yourself, boom, they click on your link in your description and it's evergreen. It's up there forever while you're busy selling, buying, selling homes, all this kind of stuff. You can do this yourself right now today. And if you get stuck, it's okay. Just reach out to me, Nitch Dominator at gmail.com. It's easy. That's all I have to say for this video. I don't think it gets any simpler. Like, we can overcomplicate things. Oh, I need the best looking slides. I need all these different offers. I need 5 or 6 funnels. I need a free ebook, all this kind of stuff. Actually, you don't need any of that stuff. I'm showing you how you can do this. If you have an offer, you can get people on the phone, because people, if they're interested in what it is you have to say in your video, give them a way to reach out to you. And the easiest way is a calendar. Everybody's used to their calendar links. They're used to that. People are getting used to Zoom. And the nice thing is there's no overhead for you. You can start coaching, consulting today, and you can start generating some income. So I hope that helps. Let me know in the comments if you like this type of video. I'll continue to make more. And don't forget to subscribe. Give me a thumbs up, thumbs down. All this stuff helps me build my YouTube channel. Thanks a lot. I appreciate it. See you in another video. Bye for now.